Hello ladies and gentlemen, today I'm talking about SI base and derived units for physics A level. Okay, let's get right in. Okay, so first of all we've got SI units, and we use SI units so that we keep all our measurements to one measurement, and we keep our measurement to a meter. And here are the sizes compared to the meter. So we have pico, which is 10 to the minus 12, nano, which is 10 to the minus 9, and micro, which is 10 to the minus 6. We also have milli, which is 10 to the minus 3, cent, which is 10 to the minus 2, kilo, which is 10 to the 3, and mega, which is 10 to the 6, and giga, which is 10 to the 9, and tera, which is 10 to the 12. There are other ones, but these are the ones that are the basic ones that you need to know. A good way I find to remember these ones is to think, the main SI unit we use is meters. So the next one down is going to be centimeters, so as you can see there. And then the next one down below that is meant to be millimeters. Now, if you can remember that micro comes after milli, then that also makes it easier. And then you've got nano as well, which is really small, but not as small as pico. And in Spanish, pequeño means small. Well, it means small child, but still, try that. And from the other side, I tend to think of this as more like computer data. So tera is in terabyte, giga is in gigabyte, mega is in megabyte, kilo is in kilobyte. If you familiar with those kind of things in technology, storage, then that will make that part of the SI units easier. Okay, so these are the base units. We have length, which is measured in meters, mass, which is measured in kilograms, time, which is measured in seconds, electric current, which is measures in amps, temperature, which is measured in Kelvin, amount of a substance, which is measured in mole, luminous intensity, which is measured in candela. Now, these may look hard to remember, but you soon get used to them pretty quickly. The thing you need to worry about most is the next part. Now, here we have the derived units. Now you can use math to just work them out, or you can either memorize them off by heart, but they are not the easiest things to memorize. We've got the velocity, which is ms minus 1, acceleration, which is ms to the power minus 2, force, which is kg ms to the power minus 2, work of energy, which is kg m to the power 2, s to the power minus 2, power, which is kg m to the power 2 and s to the power minus 3, pressure, which is kg m to the power minus 1 and s to the minus 2. We've got frequency, which is s to the minus 1, and charge, which is as, and that is a mouthful to remember, but if you can manage to remember that off by heart, by all means do that. Otherwise, use the equations. So thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.